Are you searching for a good camera drone that can take an awesome montage? If yes, then Sg906 Pro 2 is a perfect fit for you. In this video, I will discuss the Sg906 Pro 2 review in detail. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, to up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. It has a double satellite locating setup with a 3-axis gimbal protector. Moreover, it has clever flight modes. It is an image sensor as well. If you have used this RC drone before, you will feel that quality is getting special day by day. This thing makes it a top-class drone. The design of Sg906 is super intelligent. Additionally, it has multiple sensors which have combined with a single sensor. Another plus point of this is that it follows the guidelines strictly. After flying, it also doesn't need GPS signals to come back home. Another fantastic feature of RC drone is that it is effortless to use. You don't need any experience to use. So anyone can use it easily. I have already pointed out that it has a 4K HD camera that takes off deformation from photos and videos. Sony IMN179 image sensor is attached with the camera too. The option of recording on both mobile and card is available. The quality of videos and pictures is just outstanding. You can even store your photos with a resolution of 4096 by 3072 pixels. Moreover, you can also keep the videos with the dimension of 2048 by 1080. Due to the movements of multiple jingles, the result of footage becomes more professional. So it is the best choice for travelers. The transmission distance of the camera is 600 meters, which is also an excellent range for an RC drone. The battery of the RC drone is a high capacity which is 3400 mAh. Furthermore, the size of the two LiPo packs is the same, which are also replaceable to one another. You can charge your battery with a tiny USB port. I will recommend you to use at least a 2A phone charger. The average range of battery life is 20 minutes. On the other hand, the flight distance of the camera is 1200 meters. According to the price, the flight range is quite enough but less than some other drone models. Never forget that the flight range also depends upon your area. Let's say you are using it in a highly urbanized area, and your flight range may decrease. In reality, the flight may attain 800 meters. Besides controlling both backward and forward movements, you can also modify the camera view with the help of your remote controller. The product package also gives you these other things like flight battery, microcard, power cable, USB cable. Now it is time to discuss various functions of RC drone Sg906 Pro 2. It is one of the unique functions of RC drones. You can easily connect GPS in your mobile with aircraft. If it gets any issue like a signal problem or battery loss, it will automatically come back. You can control its flight too with remote. The RC Sg906 follows your face and movement in this model. If you move slowly, it will also fly slow and vice versa. With this fantastic feature, you can get your photos and videos without any contortion. In this drone, some pros like amazing flight timing, 4K HD camera, excellent gambler protector, reasonable price. Some cons are flight range may decrease in some areas. Small resolution of videos. The quality of videos and photos is not much better. RC drone Sg906 Pro 2 is a great product to buy, especially for beginners. But everybody can use it. The resistance and weight of the product are pretty good. I will suggest you buy this top-class drone because it has many functions at a suitable price. It also has a GPS to fly it. But if you pass the drone with a small distance, it will perform in a better way. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.